A'udhu Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and welcome guys. Today our topic of discussion is adverb and degrees of adverb. Right? In this lecture we will study that what is adverb and what are the degrees of adverb. Right? In previous lecture we discussed the adjective and its degrees, and in this lecture we will discuss adverb and degrees of adverb. Right? And in next lecture we will discuss adverb and types of adverb. So let's come back to our topic, adverb. What is adverb? Adverb are those words which modifies or gives information about a verb, another adverb, or adjective. In simply word, we can say that adverbs are those words which tell us that how, when, where, or how often an action is doing, or an action will be doing, or an action have been done. Right? So adverb modifier of verb and adjective or another adverb. What is adverb? The modifier of verb, adjective or another adverb. For example, I say Ali runs fast. Ali runs fast. Fastly. So in this sentence, firstly gives information about what? Runs. And run is what? Verb. So we studied that a word which gives information or modifies a verb is called adverb. So for what is firstly what we call to firstly adverb. So this is adverb in this sentence, right? Adverb are those words which modifies or give information about verb. In this sentence, firstly is adverb. Adverb are almost those words which are formed by adjective by adding ly at the end of an adjective. Let's see. First is an adjective, right? First is an adjective. When we add ly to its end, so it becomes adverb, and put it after the verb is called what? Adverb. So this is a magical trick that I have told. Most of adverbs are formed by what? Adjective, by adding ly at the end of that adjective. So this was adverb, that the modifier of verb, another adverb or adjective, right? Let's come to the degrees of adverb. There are 3 degrees of adverb like adjective. Adjective had also 3 degrees: positive, comparative and superlative. And adverb have also the same degrees: positive, comparative and superlative. But there is little bit differences. Adverb, we told that it modifies an action, adjective or another adverb, and adjective modifies noun or pronoun. So this is just the differences between adverb and adjective. So let's come to positive degree, that what is positive degree of an adverb. The positive degree of an adverb is the basic form of just adverb. As we studied that Ali runs fastly. So this is the positive degree of what? Adverb, in which no comparison of action is added in a sentence, right? So this what we call to that degree positive degree. And how we studied an adjective, that without any comparison. So this is also without any comparison, because here is If here was second name, so then we should tell that Ali runs faster than Ahmad. So this become comparative degree. If and now there is no difference, there is no comparison between two things. Just Ali is added in this sentence, and just first form of verb is used, runs fastly. S is used to the end of this verb. So what we call to this like degree of adverb, positive degree. For example, Ali runs fast. Ali runs fast, right? This was done positive degree. And now comparative degree. What is a comparative degree? The comparative degree is used when we compare two actions of two people or things. For example, I tell Ali runs faster than Ahmad, right? As an adjective, we said that Ali is more intelligent than Ahmad. So that was modifier of noun. And here, faster than Ali runs. So what has been modified by faster? Runs. Run is verb, and the word which modifies verb is called what? Adverb. So the comparative degrees are used when two action of two people or thing is compared, right? Ali runs faster than Ahmad. This was comparative degree. Let's come to superlative degree. What is superlative degree? So superlative degree is also be explained by the basis on the basis of adjective, but little bit differences is there. An adjective, we said that when we compare one thing with lot of things, with more things, and here we will discuss that superlative degree is used when the action of one is compared to the three or more people with the action of three things or more, right? So for example, Ali runs fastest in the class, right? In this sentence, fastest is what? Superlative degree. And Ali is one, and class is, there are more students in class, but the action of Ali is compared to the whole class. It's mean in the whole class Ali runs fast, right? So this type of degree, so what we call to this type of degree? Superlative degree. This is superlative degree, the degree in which we compare the action of one people or thing with more people or things, right? As we said that Ali runs fastest in the class. So this was superlative degree. So we have studied adverb and degrees of adverb. I hope all of you will have understood easily, and thanks for watching, and also subscribe my YouTube channel to get more videos, right? Thank you. Assalam.